Yeah.
Attention in the pits. I want to remind everyone. So
Yeah, he took too long to get on board.
Out to Green Raceway Park.
What's up, babe?
As Ernest announced.
Slick, man.
Slick as ice.
Slick. God damn it. Hey, Steve, can I fuck with him? No, sir. Just to give it the fans what they want, man.
Y'all would be a good race.
Get the back down.
You right here, you got it right there.
We're gonna start racing the head up, and then he wants back there.
What you gonna do with Joe Jackson?
Whatever, if you blow the tires on purpose.
Hey man, what you gonna do with Joe Jackson when he get up there?
Whatever. I was ready 2 weeks ago. I was ready last week, and I was ready 2 weeks ago.
You ready for Joe Jackson?
Blow the tires on purpose.